yang lebih dahulu menuliskan namanya dapat kesempatan pertama untuk bertanya. Selanjutnya, bagi peserta yang tidak mengikuti peraturan, dengan sangat menyesal akan kami keluarkan dari ruang meeting atau Vicon. Yang terakhir, tata tertib ini dibuat untuk dilaksanakan dan dipatuhi sebagaimana mestinya. Terima kasih. Baik, tanpa berlama-lama, saya akan mempersilahkan Ibu Alin untuk memulai materinya pada sore hari ini. Silakan Bu Alin.
Oke, terima kasih Bu Midya. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Selamat sore teman-teman, adik-adik sekalian, Bapak Ibu guru yang berada di sekolah yang sore hari ini alhamdulillah dapat kembali bergabung dalam pertemuan kedua dari kelas si virtual storytelling kita. Dapat saya informasikan bahwa sampai saat ini anggota member di kelas si virtual storytelling kita sudah berjumlah sebanyak 95 orang. Itu termasuk dengan Bapak Ibu guru dan juga adik-adik siswa-siswi sekalian. Melihat dari assignment 1 yang sudah saya kerjakan, baru 21 orang yang submit ya, yang menyerahkan tugas. Jadi dari 95 member di kelas Edmodo kita, baru 21 orang yang mengumpulkan dengan benar dengan cara turn in di assignment. Dan ada 2 yang menyerahkan tapi tidak dengan cara turn in di assignment 1, melainkan mempostingnya secara terpisah di grup. Nah, untuk mereka yang memposting di grup secara terpisah dan bukan menyerahkannya dalam bentuk turn in di assignment 1 itu kami tidak dapat memberikan nilai karena penilaian dilakukan langsung di tugas-tugas yang di sign in atau di submit di assignment 1. Jadi mohon di sini tercatat Muhammad Abdul B dari SMK YPT Kota Tegal dan Muhammad Teguh R dari SMK Karya Nasional Sindangwangi Majalengka. Untuk Muhammad Abdul dan Teguh, mohon untuk kembali memasukkan tugas kalian di assignment 1 dengan cara mengklik tombol turn in dan bukan dengan mempostingnya di grup secara terpisah. Jadi setelah itu nanti baru akan dapat kami berikan nilai. Dan mohon maaf sekali karena kami belum sempat memberikan penilaian ya, baru kalau tidak salah baru 2 orang dari salah satu SMK di Bandung yang sudah kami nilai. Selebihnya insya Allah malam ini akan kami berikan nilai dan adik-adik sekalian, Bapak Ibu guru juga bisa melihat nilainya untuk tugas pertama. Tugas assignment 1 ini akan kita tutup hari ini jam 5 sore ya. Jadi setelah itu tidak bisa lagi kami buka karena di sini juga selain melihat keaktifan dan juga untuk supaya fair dari teman-teman yang kemarin menyelesaikan tugas sesuai waktu dan sudah kami berikan perpanjangan waktu lagi untuk hari ini sampai dengan jam 5 sore. Setelah itu kita akan move on ke assignment 2 dan nanti seterusnya dengan assignment lainnya. Kurang lebih assignment yang kita berikan setiap kelasnya itu akan berupa video ya. Jadi teman-teman membuat video seperti yang kemarin sudah dilakukan dan berbicara dalam bahasa Inggris, menjelaskan sesuai topik yang kita berikan, lalu diposting di YouTube-nya masing-masing dan link YouTube-nya di-submit ke assignment 2, 3, dan berikutnya sampai dengan selesai nanti. Untuk materi kali ini yang akan saya sampaikan yaitu berupa describing things, gitu ya. Why describing things is important? Last week we have tried to learn about introduction about yourself. That's also describing, yeah. That part is describing yourself. And this week we are going to learn about how to describe other thing, yeah, specific thing that you like. We will watch a video from YouTube. This video will tell you about how people make description, a good description about things in details using English, simple English, and you will get to watch this video together, and maybe later I will also put the video in our Edmodo class that you can watch watch and re-watch again so that you will be able to know about how to make a good description about things. Okay, Media, maybe you can play the video so that the students can watch together.
Oke, Mbak Alin. Oke, wait a moment.
Kan mama harus kepala sekolah dan wakil kepala sekolah. Dengar mah,
Kepala sekolahnya.
semuanya si Dinas tadi 2 jam, si Charles tadi 2 jam. Terlihat berapa ya Pak? Kita Dinas ah. So okay, that was the video. Unfortunately, maybe some of you cannot get the audio from the video in YouTube, but later I will post in the Edmodo class the link to that video so you can watch it again to get a clearer video and audio. So, okay, Miss Media, can you please make me a presenter so I can share the screen? From the video that we watch, it shows that the person, the man in that video, is showing us 3 pictures and give a clear description of each pictures. That's what we want you to create for the assignment too. So you might start from now, pick some interesting picture that you can tell to the audience, to us from the Simolek and to other friends. the picture is up to you. We give a free option for you to choose any kind of picture that you would like to present, to describe, to in your video. So here are some points that maybe you can take a picture of this notes. Yeah. So I want you to choose one particular picture of your interest. Make sure that the picture is you I mean, you have the interest in that picture, so it will be more fun for you to make a video out of that picture. So well, once you create the picture, you can create a title of that picture. What is, in general, what is the picture show to the audience? And then after that, you show the picture clearly to the audience. For example, like this. You show it to the video, to the camera. Make sure that the audience see what's in the picture. And then you might have to describe the main object of the picture. For example, what is the main object of the picture that you show? If it is a person, or maybe a particular place of interest, or maybe a flower or an animal, you describe mostly about the main object of the picture. What's the color, what's the size, what's the texture, etc. And then after that, you can describe the surrounding of the picture, what you see in that picture aside that the main object. For example, if it is a picture of a flower, maybe in the area of that flower you can find a bee or a tree or a little girl playing nearby the flower, and other thing that you can find in the surrounding of the picture. You can also use other properties to help you describe the picture, as well as to make your video more interesting to see. And you can also ask your friends to help you create the video, and then after that, later you can also help your friends in making his or her video. And then please use a simple vocabulary. So just like the man in the video showing you, he uses very simple wordings, very simple vocabularies to describe his picture. So you can also take his example to be used in your video. And then you make sure that you point the items that you're describing. Maybe you're explaining about a small object in that picture, you make sure that you point the items that you're describing, like this. This is number 2, for example. The color is, it uses a very colorful and playful colors. So you make sure that you point out the items that you are describing. Okay, and this is what we want you to do for your second assignment. So you have to pick a picture that you like. I have already mentioned that. And then you describe the picture in detail using English, simple wording. The more you use simple English, the less you do mistakes. Yeah, you can avoid mistakes by using very simple vocabs in English. And then you make a video out of yourself describing that picture. Use as much vocabulary as possible in your description. So you use simple vocabs, but use it as much as possible, as much vocab as possible in your description. And then as usual, just like assignment 1, you upload it in YouTube and submit in Edmodo assignment 2. Make sure you click the turn in button in the assignment 2 and not post it in the class, yeah, in separate postings. So yeah, this one is separated from the assignment 1, yeah. It should be signed in here. I mean, it should be turned in here by clicking this button instead of posting it in a separate posting. We'll open the assignment 2. You can see the assignment 2 at around 4:30 p.m. this afternoon, I will post the assignment 2 as well as the link to the video that we watched together earlier. And then the assignment 2 will be open till next week, till Tuesday next week at 10 p.m. Okay, I think that's all from me. If there's any question, I will open the session for the first questions, please.
Siang, Mbak Alin bisa mendengar suara saya?
Ulangin aja. Ulangin aja.
I'm
Mbak Alin bisa.
years old. I'm from Indonesia. I am Lama. I live at I live on
Nama sendiri.
I live on Malang.
Ibu,
I live on Malang. Di Malang.
Alin,
Kan aja nggak benar.
Soto, misalkan.
Ibu Alin bisa mendengar suara saya?
Kita pada siapa?
Mbak Alin, bisa mendengar suara saya?
Ya, bisa.
Oke, baik. Bapak Ibu, bagi yang ingin bertanya atau adik-adik sekalian, jika ada yang ingin bertanya, silakan tulis namanya di forum chat. Nanti akan kami panggil atau kami bacakan pertanyaannya. Terima kasih. Untuk yang pertama, ada pertanyaan dari Muhammad Rizky Hairun Nimat, Mbak Alin.
Ya.
Pertanyaannya adalah untuk gambar yang akan dideskripsikan, objek utamanya hewan, manusia, tumbuhan, atau benda lainnya.
Oke, terima kasih Rizky untuk pertanyaannya. As I said earlier, so that the picture that you want to describe is up to you. You are free to choose any picture of your interest that might be easy for you to describe. So it doesn't matter, it can be an animal or human or a particular band or whatever of your interest. Up to you.
Baik, terima kasih Bu Alin. Mungkin saya akan coba putarkan lagi video yang tadi belum sempat terdengar audionya ya.
Baik.
Oke, tunggu sebentar.
Kalau kan 13 berapa ini?
Mbak Alin.
Ya.
Oke, mungkin videonya tadi belum terdengar ya audionya.
Ya, masih belum terdengar, mungkin nanti bisa kita
Baik,
posting lagi.
mohon maaf mungkin jaringan di sini kurang bagus sehingga audionya belum bisa terdengar. Kita lanjutkan ke sesi tanya jawab ya Ibu Alin ya.
Ya, silakan.
Berikutnya ada dari Muhammad Nahri Aulia Zuhdi. Pertanyaannya, I have a question. Do we need to show ourselves when describing the pic or just showing the pic and then put our voice in the video? Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Nahri Aulia. Thank you for your question. It's a good question. I think for the opening, you might show your face and then just make sure that your picture is clearly shown in the video, whether you are in the video or not. But for the opening and the closing, you might as well show your face to the audience. Thank you.
Thank you, Bu Alin. And the next question is coming from Salsabila from SMP 9 Bandung. How many pictures we describe in the video?
Okay, thank you, Salsa from SMP 9 Bandung. Actually, one picture is enough, but the length of the video, you might create a video from 3 to 5 minutes. So, for example, if you still have extra time and you have done describing one picture, you can add 2 or 3 picture as long as the length of your video is not exceed than 5 minutes. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Bu Alin. Is there any question from the students or maybe the teacher? We still open the session for answer the question.
Okay, I think if there is no more question for today's session, Let's just open for more question in Edmodo class. And for now, you can wait for the assignment to post in our Edmodo class at around 4:30. It will appear on your Edmodo class. Thank
Okay.
you.
Bu Alin, maybe is there any restriction for describing the picture?
Yeah, as usual, don't use the picture that contains sexual picture or pose, and maybe also restricted not to offend any religious beliefs and other tribes in the picture that you show. Just make sure you consult your teacher about the picture that you're going to describe in your video.
The next question is there any limitation for the duration?
3 to 5 minutes.
Okay. Okay, thank you, Walin. Is that all for today?
Yeah, I think that's all for today.
Okay. Thank you for joining us this evening, Bapak, Ibu, and adik-adik semua. I hope we can meet the next week meeting at the same time and the same day. Okay, thank you everyone for joining us. See you later. Selamat sore. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Salam.